You spin me right round, baby, right round.
Best intro ever.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Borderlands 2 on Sautéed Games.
We're gonna find this guy named Shorty.
Yeah. I'm Rex. That's Noah.
I just realized that whenever I did, I have
Chef's
not,
singing.
I have not been like introducing myself. I've just been introducing you guys.
Yeah, we do that a lot.
Oh, fuck you guys.
Grenade out. I still haven't leveled up.
That's okay.
I'm dumb.
Yeah,
You still haven't leveled up?
Yeah.
good shit, buddy.
Jesus, dude.
I'll just do that real quick. I know what I want.
Oh, slag singularities are good.
Going up?
Yes, they are.
Okay. I really hope you saw that.
I did not.
Do you not see this tangled mess of limbs in the door?
I do not. Wait. I see
Hey.
a limb under the door.
Hey, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Nope, that's
there's-
nope. That's someone that's just still attached to that person. Nope, I don't see what you see.
okay. Well, when you edit this, you will see what I saw, and you will be
I
like,
will.
"Oh, that's a thing." We're coming.
I'm fine.
Oh yeah. Good job, man.
There's a chest up here, that's what I was getting to.
Oh. It's a bunch of shields.
Which.
And they're pretty crap.
Well, this
Yes,
one's just
indeed.
way better
Oh.
than mine. Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That
No,
one actually
you're
wasn't
fine.
too bad.
You're fine. I didn't want it anyways.
You want an amp shield?
What's amp?
When you take, I don't know. When you have full shield, you can deal extra damage, but you lose shields when you fire that bullet.
No. I'm just gonna take that.
It's pretty good.
I have the absorbing ammo shield because ammo's a problem.
Was I supposed
on.
to do that?
No, we
Is there a
got
switch
it.
up there?
I'm
Yeah.
I'm following.
I'm pretty sure the lines go from down here, actually.
What the fuck? But this is a box.
Or it's over here.
Oh god, I slid down. That's just not good.
Oh man!
Oh, damn it. I slid down.
You know what I just realized?
What?
At the end of Finks, we didn't go. That's
I got it.
teamwork.
No, we didn't. Is that a thing that we need to do?
Favorite dish.
Which we should have.
I got the fuse box, by the way.
Yeah, I'm going in now.
It's
Wanna come?
There's a sniper. Oh,
Damn.
I grabbed a weapon by accident.
Things I
Hello,
cannot
sniper.
use.
That was a
Nope,
accident.
it's not
I
good.
have a
It's good,
shock
it's
SMG in my hands right now.
well, actually,
I have no interest in that.
I don't like the sustained fire ones.
Okay, I just saw an explosion and I had nothing to do with it. Oh, there's a sinkhole over there.
Right this way.
There we go. Oh, with a shock weapon. Cool. I just got one of those. Ah. Oh god, there's a lot of stalkers.
I just found a slag relic, dude. Do you want it, Noah?
Really? Nice.
Yeah.
Where 'tis.
I picked it up, but
Okay,
I'll
well,
give it
we'll
to
deal
you.
with it later then. Deathstrap's doing something.
Ow.
This is the best perspective ever.
Jesus Christ.
I'm just shooting in general directions.
That's pretty much your playstyle. Quit shooting
I
me.
fought in your general direction.
Okay. We got quite a lot of iridium to spend when we go back.
Yeah, we do. It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, can't wait to go back now. I could use more salt.
I see him.
Yo, shorty.
It's your birthday.
It's the dreaded
Whoa.
floating midget.
Death.
Oh, you guys didn't use a shock weapon.
What?
You're supposed to kill him with a shock
This is
weapon
a shock
for
and
bonuses.
slag.
I don't have a shock
But it didn't.
weapon.
You didn't do the check mark. Is what I'm saying.
I didn't have a shock weapon, I'm sorry.
Funny story. I would have had someone do the same to you if you hadn't paid me for that whole patch of rides you had. I reckon. At least I heard that that's what it is.
What this?
That was not irony.
Oh, that's a nice second wind health.
Second one health isn't really that good though.
Oh,
Massies.
here, Noah.
Ooh, it's shiny. Yeah,
What's shiny?
slag thingy.
Oh. Neat.
Very neat. So now we're off to turn shit in.
Yes, we are.
It's a dead.
I probably won't
Yay.
win anything, but whatever.
That is a sniper.
I like killing things.
Alright, whatever, man. It's disgusting, I guess.
It's
He just keeps on saying slag for
yeah.
me.
He just keeps commenting on the slag.
Slag.
I'm full, so you guys can pick up those weapons. Actually, you know what? Fuck it. You got it? Okay.
Yep.
Rain death upon thee!
Rock and roll. Anybody need some healing?
Why'd I just ask for... Why'd I just... What? Why'd I just ask if somebody needs healing?
Because you walked by a needle?
Yeah.
Oh, did I? Okay. I guess I just didn't
Probably.
notice.
That's usually why it happens. Stop being so strong.
Buddy, that's
me
the
feel
whole reason I'm
inferior.
here. Is to be strong. I can do nothing else but shoot blindly and try to be
Shoot
strong.
at the ground and kill all of the racks.
That's what I'm attempting to do. Oh, well, I'm out of ammo.
Summon Death Clap.
Oh, yeah, that's what I think I should
High
do.
five! I need to build you an extra arm just for high five.
God, Death Trap just got fucking body
Fucking
slammed.
badass. There we go. Jesus Christ.
Ooh,
Iridium.
It's tough to kill. There's a shotgun over here.
Yeah, it's me.
My eye.
What, you didn't even... Did you look at it?
Yeah, I did. I was right behind you as it dropped.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
Rock on!
Are you even doing
Gage
damage
is
to this fucking thing?
scaring me.
Huh?
Gage is scaring me.
Why's she scaring you? She's just a little girl.
She's laughing like a maniac.
I am the Alpha and the Omega!
It's
Sure
getting
enough.
really hard to hit stuff.
When I'm hitting stuff, she says that. I love it. Oh, ouch.
Oh, I didn't think you actually could do this to Chrysalis.
God, the fact that you
I
when you
got
get
you.
revived, you lose your
Or
goddamn
not.
stacks piss me off. Ouch. Stop your bullshit, Rack. Get the fuck off me.
Wait, you didn't die, did you?
No. Just when you're getting
Okay.
revived, you lose your goddamn stacks, and I think that's...
Oh, yeah, you lose some of them, yeah.
Well, no, just like while you're being revived, you're still...
Yeah, oh,
you're
I see,
still
that's what you're
losing
talking about.
fucking-
Yeah, it's bullshit.
I need a new super powerful pistol.
I could use a new super powerful
This one
shotgun,
is
too.
not cutting it anymore.
I need shotgun.
Where are we
ammo.
going?
Yeah, this thing's
I
like
think we're just killing things.
Okay, well,
several
we need to
levels
stop
below
just
us.
killing things
Yeah.
and actually like continue doing
it's
stuff.
fun.
It is very fun, don't get me wrong. But I'm starting to run low on ammo, and oh god, death clap, help me.
Rats.
Favorite thing.
Okay, yeah, we should probably go turn all this shit in.
As we kill
Does
more
any
things.
of this need to be turned in here, or do we need to, like, is all of it in Sanctuary?
I have no idea.
Okay, you keep them distracted and I'll check.
I will do my damnedest to do so.
Ooh.
2 of them are in Sanctuary.
Oh, iridium. I just completely
Oh, well,
missed
yeah,
that.
that's right. The one for, we turned in the weapon cache one
Yeah,
already
yeah.
when we did it. Yeah, okay, so they're both in Sanctuary.
Okay, so let's take a little trip to Sanctuary, y'all.
Yep.
Y'all.
Y'all. Hey, look, more
Oh
people.
god, everyone's come back.
Singularity bomb. Ah.
Smells like piss and nuts.
Sweet combo.
What?
What?
I'm
What'd
not
you do?
sure what she just said, but she just said that the slag smelled like piss and something.
Oh.
And that was very entertaining.
Yeah, I think I remember hearing that one before.
Let's just get
Rat
out
thief.
of here,
Oh,
guys.
fuck you, rat thief. Give me back my money.
Where's my money?
Oh, god damn it, Jeff. me and you both had that.
Bye, guys.
Don't.
Ah! I'm coming.
Sorry, Noah.
You... I mean, I'm okay with that. Ah, well,
Okay, let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Sanctuary.
Sanctuary, please. I am the queen.
There it is.
I am the queen of this land.
God damn it.
I'm sorry, I was
God damn it, Jeff!
selling shit.
Jeff, you're the worst.
I like how as soon as
I don't
shoot
even know why we
in
bring
the-
you with us.
Because you like me.
Only a little
Kinda.
bit. Like,
Nah,
I don't know if
think
it's
that's
enough
it.
anymore.
I mean, I do like you. I just don't think that's the reason.
Ouch.
Right.
The last appearance of Jeff.
I did say I liked you. How was that an ouch?
Noah.
What?
You're saying, not really.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I buy another one? I can.
Sweet. I got a lot more stuff. I'm gonna go turn these in.
Good idea.
Running, 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 run, 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 run.
Run, 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 run.
I had to clip through a door.
That's the... Isn't that like Tiny Tina's song?
Was it?
Yeah.
Running, 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 run over
running.
there.
Oh,
Run,
I
run,
guess
run, run, run.
I didn't really even mean to do that, to be honest.
And also with second base is.
What the fuck?
Oh, Scooter. He died without ever getting to second base.
Oh.
Why'd you have to
Sorry,
say
spoilers.
that?
Spoilers for Tales from the Borderlands.
You didn't have to tell them
No, I'm
which game it was spoilers from.
Now I'm sad.
I didn't get another
I mean,
headset up.
regardless of what it's from, it's a spoiler.
I guess, but like... I don't know, man.
Did we turn in the other one?
Yeah, they were both from Scooter.
Okay, cool. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so... Gun store and ammo dump.
You can never be too well armed.
Oh, God. Let's see. What's magazine size? 8? No, I need another
Yeah,
goddamn
I should-
Jacobs.
Time to check the gun stores.
This one's shit.
Let me
I'm gonna talk to Marcus.
your eye.
There's nothing here. It's all garbage.
Basically, that's just all gun shops right now.
Well, let's look for a mission where we might get a good weapon drop then. What do we have?
It's a fine day. Full of
I mean, I think
sort-
we just
can I
did our
sort by
highest
level?
levels, buddy.
Expansion, status, difficulty. Oh, no, yeah, that would be difficulty. Yeah. So, starts from the lowest. Wait. Oh, here we go. Well, doctor's orders with it can get us a pistol,
I don't care.
which might help me, but Clan Wars will probably get us some loot.
Oh, I didn't mean to sell that. God damn it.
But I feel like Clan Wars can like cover an entire session.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what we got.
Oh, here we go. This one's got a shotgun in
You
it.
think murder?
Oh yeah.
Marcus munition.
It's level 15 mission though. It's probably not going to help us that much.
Yeah. If any shotgun's gotta be from
I'm getting
there.
down to pretty low.
Well, let me
ones.
see. What is my current shotgun?
Oh, here
It's
we
level
go.
13.
There's
My current
oh,
shotgun's
that's
level
also
13.
16.
There's
Jesus
a
Christ.
shotgun in here that's level 18.
Yeah. Which one? Where are you at? The front one.
Over by.
Yeah. I just checked that one. This weapon is still more powerful than that
I mean, Marcus's has a shotgun, but it didn't look like the kind you'd want.
I need a, like Jacobs is the one I'm looking for.
Yeah, you need a
Jacob's coach.
Coach, yeah. Oh, I burped. What color is the one you're using?
Blue.
Ah, yeah. That'll be tough to replace then.
Basically, I just need a higher level blue at this point.
If you can get a white one that's our level right now, that'll actually be better than a 13 blue.
Okay, well then, even that then. But apparently, coach is the hardest one to fucking find.
Yeah. A quad would also be good. Quads are pretty good.
For building stacks or for doing damage.
Both.
Okay.
They're mostly single shot.
Ah.
It depends on. They're like 1 to 2 shots. And they deal a shitload of damage. They're gonna burn through ammo, but they do a shitload of damage.
Should
And
we
you.
continue? Where are we going?
How much time do we have left on the clock?
2 minutes.
Man,
It's an odd time.
time to tip Moxie.
Are we just gonna tip Moxie for the remainder 2 minutes?
I doubt it's going. Oh, I'm out of money. I just spent all my money on Moxie and didn't get a gun.
Real scratch.
That's why me and Jeff don't have money. We tipped her last time.
That's right.
You met Ellie yet? Lovely.
Well, shit. That means I can't go gambling.
I just got the sugar daddy.
Putting just a little effort into your appearance.
Achievement.
Sugar daddy.
Sugar daddy achievement.
Quests, I thought. But if you
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
moved
good
out
shit.
to the dust. Said something about making her own way, that she didn't need Scooter or I.
All right. Well, I guess we can call the episode here. It doesn't have to be 20 minutes long.
Haven't met the whole
Alright.
dunce yet. Here, this isn't my favorite,
Ah!
but you might get some use out of it.
Oh, we got a gun. Or you got a gun. Oh,
Is the tip
Oh.
for two different?
bad
for
time. Oh, it's the same one I
people-
have.
for different people.
Probably just higher level. What?
Is the tip jar the same for all people or?
Yeah.
Oh, well then.
It's tip 100 and tip 1000.
No, I know, but like the amount you tip. Like, does me putting in add towards Jeff's or what?
No.
I think it's independent.
Okay. Because I'm about to say I just put in like so much, many monies in that.
It's basically just random.
All right. Well, we'll see you guys the next episode.
If you enjoy, please
Bad
subscribe
Jeff.
and also
You don't get to do outros.
like
I just
and
did.
comment. If you enjoy our content, stick around.
Yeah.
Bye
Do
bye.
that. Bye.
Bad touch. Yeah.